Okay, so given this quadratic equation, we are asked to find the equation, and we know that the vertex is negative 2, 1. And so I'm going to use vertex form, and I know the graph is f of x is equal to some value a, x minus h squared plus k, where h and k is the vertex. And so the first thing I know is I can plug in my vertex, which is minus 2, so double minus makes a plus 2 squared plus 1. And so now I need to find my a value. And I know that it's going downward, so a is going to end up being a negative of some kind, so it's going to be negative. And I know, like with my basic parabola, I go over 1, up 1. I go over 2, up 2, and so on. Well, this one goes over 1, down 1, over 2, down 4. And so I know my a value is going to be 1 or negative 1 because it's going down. So it's negative x plus 2 squared plus 1. Now, if you're not comfortable with like counting, we could also do it another way, where we come along and as opposed to counting, what I'm going to do is I'm going to substitute in one of the points I know. So I could, from this value here, I know that this negative 1 is 0 is a point. I'm going to plug it into my function here. I'm going to plug it into this function. So I know the y is 0, so it's 0 is equal to a, my x value is negative 1 plus 2 squared plus 1. Well, now I just do some algebra. 0 is equal to a, negative 1 plus 2 is 1 squared, so times 1 plus 1. And so solving this, I can see that a is equal to negative 1. And so again, I end up with f of x is negative 1, x plus 2 squared plus 1. And I can do that all without any technology around. I have to recognize my vertex and that it is going downwards.